In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to open RAR files on your Android phone. So if you have an Android phone and you have a RAR file on it, which is a special type of file that's similar to a zip file that can hold many different files inside it, you might want to open it on your Android phone so that you can access all those files. And unfortunately on almost all Android phones, there's no simple, straightforward process to just easily open it, but with this extra app Timmy's going to show you, there's actually quite an easy way that you can just open the RAR file and then access all the other files on your phone. So that's really cool, and in this video Timmy's going to show you how to do that. So when you're on your Android phone and you want to open your RAR file, the first thing you'll need to do is go into the Google Play Store and then tap in this search bar up here and search for RAR. Nothing else, just type RAR and then press on search. And this top-up app here is the one you want. So it looks like this and it says RAR. So this will probably come up at the top, and then you just need to tap on install and wait a few moments for it to finish installing. And then once it's finished installing, just tap on open, and it will ask you if you want to allow RAR to access photos and media on your device. And obviously for this to work, you'll need to allow that. And then just tap on dismiss for that. And now it's listing out all the folders that are on your phone, so it may look a little strange because a lot of apps will add folders to your phone so they can store their own data in them. So you'll see a whole lot of random stuff, and you'll need to go into the folder where your RAR file is. So if you've downloaded the RAR file from somewhere, it'll probably be in downloads, so you just scroll down until you find download here, and then you just tap on download. And then as you can see, here's Timmy's RAR file. You'll know it's a RAR file because it says .rar and it will have this icon. So then once you've found your RAR file, you just need to tap this tick next to the RAR file so that it's selected. And then tap up here where it's the files in the arrow, not the files with the plus, just the files with the arrow. And then tap on that. And now it will show you some extraction options. So it's got the destination path, so it'll just put all the files in the downloads folder or wherever your RAR file was, which is really the ideal place to put it, but you could change that if you wanted to. And then all this other stuff is really not important. You don't really need to bother with any of that. And then you just need to tap on OK down here. And now it has extracted them all into a folder called RAR, which is inside your downloads folder. So this app's not the best for looking at files in, because it's really just meant for opening RAR files. But now that we've done this process, if we go into the Files app here, and then tap on Downloads, you'll see here are all the files that were inside your RAR file. And your RAR file is still there, so if you don't want the RAR file there anymore, you can tap on the three dots, and then tap on delete, and tap on delete. And now the RAR file is gone, and the files that were inside it are out and on your phone, ready to be used on your phone. So that's all there is to it, and that's really cool. So that's really cool, and now all the files from your RAR file are on your phone, and you can do whatever you want with them. They're just like normal files on your phone. So that's really cool, and hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did, please click on the thumbs up button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button down below, and click on the little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every time Timmy makes a new video. So that's really cool, and Timmy will see you in the next video.